Hello everyone. Once again, I am here with you. Okay children, second lesson, divisibility test. Exercise 3 in third bit. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 12? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 12? Now given here, 8,96,436. Now, this number is divisible by 12 or not divisible by 12 asking here. Now, you have to first of all tell me what is the divisible by 12 rule. Tell me the answer children. Okay, what is the divisible by 12 rule children? A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by 4 and 3. Now here checking this number divisible by 4 and divisible by 3. Divisible by 4 and divisible by 3 indivisible Orrington. This total number is divisible by 12. Okay children. Now write the answer. What is that? 8,96,436 is divisible by 12 or not divisible by 12. Now first we have to check divisible by 4 rule. What is the divisible by 4 rule? Now we are checking last two digits. Now first checking last two digits. The number formed. The number formed by the last two digits. Last two digits. 36. 36 is divisible by 4. Tell me children. Yes. Now 36 is divisible by 4. Okay children. Next, what is the divisibility by 3 rule? Sum of the digits. Now, sum of the digits. Now, check here. The sum of the digits. You have to take 8 place, 9 place, 6 place, 4 place, 3 place, 6. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 3, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. Now, 36. 36 is divisible by 3. Tell me children. Yes. Now, it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. Therefore, the number 8,96,436 is divisible by 12. Okay children, look here. One more time, I will explain this one. Now given number. How much is given here? 8,96,436 is given. These number total 12 with divisible or not divisible. Checking here. How will you checking? What is the divisibility test rule children? The given number 4 in and 3 in divisible over in 10. The total number will divisible by 12. Now you have to check first what is the divisible by 4 rule. Now we are checking only last two digits. Last two digits is divisible by 4. Last two digits are divisible by 4. This total number also divisible by 4. Then what is the divisible by 3 rule? Checking a sum of the digits. Now total add. Adding after you have to check 36 is coming in 3 table. Yes, coming. Now that's why only this total number also 12 will exactly divisible. Okay children, write this one. Okay children, B1. 3,48,232 is divisible by 12 or not divisible by 12. Now, First, what is the divisible by 12 rule, children? Both in 4 and 3 in going time, this total number also exactly divisible by 12. Now, first of all, you have to check the divisible by 4 rule. What is the divisible by 4 rule? You are checking last 2 digits. What is the last 2 digits? 32. Now, the number formed by the last 2 digits. Last 2 digits. How much is there? 32 is divisible by 4. Okay, children. Next, what is the divisible by 3 rule? Sum of the digits. The sum of the digits. Now, 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 is coming in 3 table. Is not coming in 3 table. Now, it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, the number 3,48,232 is not divisible by 12. Okay, children. 4 and 3. These two indivisible over in time. This total number 12 is divisible in. But 4 indivisible and 3 not divisible in time. That is not divisible by 12. No, keep this point in your mind. Okay, children. Write this one in your fair note. Okay, children. Next bit, 4th bit. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 15? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 15? Now, 4,78,980 is divisible by 15 or not divisible by 15. You have to check. Now, first of all, tell me what is the divisible by 15 rule? Yeah, a number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by 3 and 5. If it is divisible by 3 and 5. Now, 2 numbers indivisible in time. This total number also divisible by 15. Now, you have to check what is the divisibility by 5 rule. What is the divisibility by 5 rule? Yes, ends in 0 or 5. Having time, that number exactly divisible by 5. Okay, children. Since the number ends in 0. It is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. Next, what is the divisible by 3 rule? Sum of the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits. You can tell. You can do 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 8 plus 0. Now, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 9, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 0, 36. 36 is coming in 3 table? Yes. Now, 36 is divisible by 3. Okay, children. Is divisible by is divisible by 3. 36 is divisible by 3. Since the number is divisible by 3 and 5. It is divisible by 50. It is divisible by 50. Note this one. Okay children, one more problem. B1. 3,69,455 is divisible by 15 or not divisible by 15. First you have to check divisible by 5 rule. Then you have to check divisible by 3 rule. Now, first since the number ends in 5, it is divisible by 5. What is the divisible by 3 rule? Sum of the digits. You have to check 3 place, 6 place, 9 place, 4 place, 5 place, 5. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 5, 22 plus 10, 32. 32 is coming in the 3 table. Now, 32 is not divisible by 3. Is not divisible by 3. Since the number 3,69,455 is not divisible by 15. Write this one. Okay children, today homework. Page number 93, third bit in remaining ones homework. And page number 94 in fourth bit in remaining problems homework. Do in your rough note. Okay children, thank you.